So, you've got your Nikon ZR and you're ready to load in your own 3D LUTs. But no matter what you try, you just can't figure out how to actually do it. Don't worry, you're not alone. It's one of those features that sounds complicated at first, but once you know where to look, it's actually super simple. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through how to install and set up a 3D LUT on your Nikon ZR, so you can monitor your footage with accurate color straight from the camera. Step 1. Create or download your 3D LUT. First things first, you'll need a 3D LUT to install on your Nikon ZR. If you already have one ready to go, great. You can skip ahead to the next step. But if you want to create your own, you can easily do that in your editing software, like DaVinci Resolve. I'll actually be making a full tutorial on that soon, so make sure to subscribe if you want to learn how to build your own custom LUTs from scratch. Once you've created or downloaded your LUT, save it somewhere easy to find, maybe a folder or right on your desktop, because we'll be using it in just a second. Step 2. Transfer your LUTs to the memory card. Next, let's get your LUTs onto the camera. Start by connecting your camera's memory card to your computer. In my case, I'm using a CF Express card, but this works the same no matter which card type you're using. Once it's connected, open the card on your computer and go into the Nikon folder. Inside that folder, create a new folder called LUTs, and make sure it's spelled with an S at the end. That part's important. If you just name it LUT, it won't work. Now, go ahead and copy all the LUTs you want to install into that new LUTs folder. Step 3. Import the LUT into your Nikon ZR. Now that your LUTs are on the memory card, go ahead and insert the card back into your Nikon ZR. From here, open the Custom Settings menu. That's the pencil icon on the left side of your screen, and scroll down to the Video section. Look for option G15, labeled 3D LUT, and select it. If it's not already enabled, go ahead and turn it on. Next, scroll down to Import Cube File and choose the LUT you want to install. Once it's imported, go to Select LUT, and you'll see your newly installed LUT right there, ready to use. Step 4. Using your 3D LUTs and final thoughts. And that's it. Once you've followed these steps, your 3D LUTs are ready to use on your Nikon ZR. Just keep in mind, these LUTs are purely a monitoring tool. They don't get baked into your recorded footage. Also, they only work when you're shooting in the R3D codec. If you're using any other codec, your View Assist will default to a standard Rec 709 look instead. If you've just picked up your ZR and you're still getting everything set up, I highly recommend checking out my video on the first 5 things to do when you start up your camera. It'll walk you through the essential settings to make sure your ZR is dialed in right from day one. And if you want to keep learning how to get the most cinematic results out of your Nikon ZR and how to color grade Nikon and Red footage, make sure to subscribe for more videos just like this. Thanks so much for watching. Your support really does mean a lot.